Today we're heading to the coast for some sun, sand, and ocean views. Padre Island in Corpus Christi, one of the longest stretches of undeveloped beach. Let's see what the coast has in store for us. Welcome to Terry Family Adventures, a channel that strives to explore the world and show our kids what beauty it holds. On our channel, we not only want to see everything we've dreamed of, but we want to share it with others also. If you enjoy our videos, we ask you to please like and subscribe so we can continue our journey. Padre Island National Seashore encompasses 130,434 acres and is the largest remaining undeveloped stretch of barrier island in the world. The Malachite Visitor Center is open every day from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. It includes an information desk, art store, and an exhibit area with information about park history, plants, and animals. Ranger-led programs are available during the summer season. A shaded picnic area is available on the deck. Restrooms are available across the deck from the visitor center. Wheelchair users can borrow a special beach wheelchair from the visitor center at no charge. An accessible ramp goes down from the deck down to Malachite Beach. At Padre Island, you can enjoy beachcombing, bird watching, boating, fishing, kayaking, windsurfing, camping, and driving down the island, or visit the Malachite Visitor Center and Park Store. For almost its entire existence, Padre Island has remained undeveloped wilderness, because the National Seashore endeavors to preserve Padre Island in its natural state. Visiting the island is very much like stepping back into the past. With few exceptions, visitors can now see Padre Island as it has existed throughout most of its history and how it is described in the few extinct descriptions by the early explorers.
Archer has a little fascination with these birds. He's bound and determined he's going to catch one. They're up here mocking you, buddy. They're mocking you. Go get them. Go get them. Holy cow. That's a big old crab. Whoa, that's cool. Nice. Aiden got him another crab.
Hold him by the back. Hold on.
Good.
Good. What's it? Here, get back.
Get it, Ava.
Back.
Get it, Ava.
Okay. Ava, he's not gonna get you now. You've already got him. Give him a pet on the top.
Give him a pet.
Ava slowly transfer. Bubby, come here. I don't have it. You have it. It's moving. The mouth is moving. It's like I'm gonna eat her.
No.
You can tell
If you-
No, nice.
Hold on.
Star.
That's pretty sweet. That is pretty sweet, buddy. You're finding everything. And there's a jelly right beside your foot. Okay, Aiden, what'd you find now?
I found a giant sand flea.
Gee willikers.
We're looking at
That's probably the thing that's been biting you.
Yeah, we're looking at the sand dollar. And I say, yeah, it's a crab. That's not a crab.
There's a giant sand flea. This thing's huge.
4 nations have owned Padre Island at different times. The first was Spain, which owned Padre Island from its entry into the New World until the Mexican Revolution of 1820. Following the Revolution, Mexico owned Padre Island from 1821 until 1836, when the newly formed Republic of Texas claimed the area between the Nueces River and the Rio Grande. Padre Island was under ownership by the Republic of Texas until its territory was acquired by the United States following the War with Mexico of 1845 to 1848. Throughout these times, the island has been known by several names, with Padre Island being only the most recent. It has also been known as White Island and Island of the Malachites.
We are doing the Grassland Nature Trail, which is 3/4 of a mile.
It isn't a visit to our national park system without doing a hike or two. So we leave the ocean and we're gonna come do this little grassland trail. See some of these sand dunes.
3/4 mile loop trail takes hikers through one of the last intact coastal prairie ecosystems in the United States and is fully paved to accommodate all visitors. Several benches with limited shade are located throughout the trail. Be sure to be mindful of changing weather conditions and your own physical capabilities before beginning any hike. Drinking water and wearing bug spray are recommended. Throughout the trail, numbered posts correspond to the printed trail guide that offers insights of the native plants growing in the grasslands.
This is a beautiful trail to end our time here at Padre Island National Seashore.
Padre Island is a must-visit beach if you are ever in the Corpus Christi area. We enjoyed spending time at the beach, doing the Grasslands Nature Trail, and learning all the history behind Padre Island. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to like, subscribe, and join our family. Comment down below if you've ever been to Padre Island. Stay tuned for more Corpus Christi activities. A family that adventures together stays together. Thanks for watching.